to my channel. It is your girl Ida Francis, and I am back with another hair growth video. We can never get tired of hair growth tips because there are a lot of them. All you need to do is just to choose the one that works for you and of the way you go. As for me, I try all the hair growth regimens, hair growth products that I know because I really want my hair to grow, and so far I have been impressed with all my concoctions. They are really doing an amazing job. Okay, so yeah, this is just a year and few weeks. Okay, so in this video what I'm actually going to show you, it will actually change your hair care game if only you are going to use it consistently. I mean, consistency is the key to everything, including hair growth. If you have a private hair questions, I don't even know what you're waiting for, kindly send me a DM so that I see how I can help you out. Okay, let's go right into the video. Okay, to make this, the first thing you'll be needing is your yogurt. This is actually the Greek yogurt, unsweetened yogurt. Have here is about 2 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt, so you could actually make more depending on your hair length and your hair volume. This is just a demo on how you could actually make this at home. Yogurt is actually like a common nutrient when it comes to a common ingredient when it comes to natural hair care regimens, because it contains a lot of vitamins, a lot of fatty acids, which is actually crucial for hair growth. It helps fight dandruff, antifungal properties. It helps manage frizzy hair, I mean those dry hair, and it keeps the hair moisturized. It also balances the pH level of our hair and regulate sebum production. That is for people that have this excess oil production on their scalp. Okay, so adding egg to your natural hair care regimen is one of the best decisions that you could actually make for your hair. I'm going to break, oh my god, okay, I don't need all of the egg. I only need the egg yolk, so I'm gonna add the egg yolk to my yogurt. So if you are making it like for the full hair, you could actually use like 2 eggs. Okay, then I'm gonna mix this together. Next thing I'm gonna add is, I have here the pure glycerin. You know, you can, if you don't have this, you can use the honey. Glycerin is actually very good because it constitutes something that actually attracts moisture, make your hair softer and manageable and easy to detangle. So for this, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the glycerin. Okay, so I have here some oils that I love, that I use for my hair. This is the black seed oil, this is the vitamin E oil, this is the jojoba or the jojoba oil, and this is the sesame oil, and this is the neem oil. So I'm gonna be adding all those oils, just one teaspoon of each of those oils. So all those oils are actually crucial and important when it comes to promoting hair growth. So the next thing I'm going to do is to mix this together until it is completely even. After mixing it together, this is what you will have. So what you're actually going to do in this case is that you're going to apply this to your hair. I mean, from your root to the tip of your hair, and once you're done, just cover it with a shower cap or a plastic cap and leave it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Thereafter, you can wash it off. You don't need to wash it off with a shampoo or anything, but for the sake of the egg, if you don't like it, but I tell you, by the time you add all those oils, you will not hear the smell of the egg. Please make sure that you wash this with cold water. You wouldn't want to wash it with warm water or hot water. So after washing this off, then you can now go in with your hair oils. Okay, thank you so much for watching up to this point. Believe me, I do appreciate, and I hope that was really helpful. If you have further questions, clarifications concerning the videos where I did not capture, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section down below. And if you have a private hair questions, please just run to my Instagram and send me a DM with a picture of your hair so that I'll see how I can actually help you out. Okay, so thank you so much. Until another time when I will come your way, my name is ID Francis. Bye.